guys, today I'm going to do here a quick energy update for love reading over here. So let's check out what is here energy upgrade over here, as too many retrogrades occurred and so many situations happened. So let's see what is coming there for you in love. So angels, spirits, please give me the guidance for what's coming for my viewers out here. Angels will please guide me for what's coming out here for my viewers. I'll not take too many cards. Spirit angel, please guide me for what's coming up there for my viewers. So angels will please guide me what's coming up there for my viewers out here. Angels will please guide me what's coming up there for my viewers out here. Angels will please guide me what's coming up there for my viewers. So shadow of the deck is Knight of Pentacles over here. Hope you can see my card. Let's check out. There is the first card, the Wheel of Fortune. You can deal with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Leo, Aries, Seven of Wands, Four of Pentacles, again Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Emperor, Fire sign, Aries, and here is Seven of Chalices, Seven of Cups. And here is King of Wands. So this is a love reading, guys, and a general reading. So take what resonates with you. And there is a Five of Pentacles. And let's see more. King of Chalices is King of Cups. Of another King, King of Swords. Okay, I'll keep all King together. Over the Emperor, King of Cups, King of Swords, and King of Wands. So look like you have many options over here, guys. Whoever is watching this video, you look like you guys have lots of options over here, and you can deal with either two-person, okay? And most of you, this person could be either Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Libra, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or fire sign Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, well, signs doesn't matter, your situation does. So I'm sensing like your cycle will be changing right now, and you will be moving ahead with Seven of Wands. And I'm sensing like you are trying a lot. And with Four of Pentacles, I see someone sad over here. You are like running up somewhere for someone. Either you are chasing someone and you are like fed up of this person. So I feel like you have like somewhere moved on from this person with Seven of Cups. Okay, I'm sensing you are already moving on with Seven of Cups with this person. And yeah, I'm also sensing another thing. This person also, somewhere you might have said something to them and that thing hurt them, so even they decided to move away from you. But with Five of Pentacles, I again see like this person is coming up towards you. While they left you, you left them, you decided to walk away with this new person. This is a new person, guys. Okay, you thought you have so many choices. Why to like just now move away from this person? You have so many choices, so you can be meeting too many new person coming up in your way. I'm sensing like the person coming up towards you, they can be either in a King of Wands energy or either King of Cups. For someone, if you are dealing with a new person and you are in a no contact situation, I sense this person can come up towards you very fastly. They can take action. You can also have some intimacy with this person, okay, and some physical things. So you can have lots of physical. For some of you, you can even have fight with this person in the past. I sense like this person will coming up towards you with King of Wands, and they will be taking an action and they want to be with you. Right now, this person is thinking very deeply. For some, they are in a deep thing. They are thinking about you very badly right now. I can sense that this person is watching your pictures right now on their phone if they haven't unblocked you, so they are seeing your pictures right now. And with King of Swords, I sense this person can even make a decision. You both can have some fights once again when they turn up. Because of retrograde, too many things is happening. Saturn and Mercury, you might feel very confused. Okay, even with these cards, even in generally, you can have this energy like You can feel very confused at a time. You want to work also, but at a time you're feeling very old, very confused, very lost also. Most of you can even cry this time. Okay, you can cry with this time, and you can have some fight with this person, but I sense for most of you the cycle will be changing now. Luck will be in your favor this year. In the coming month of November, October, things will be start changing. Whatever you are wishing in your mind, I sense that thing is coming up towards you very faster. You need to just let go. If you're not letting go, start letting go. If you have walked away from your past, the past is not coming. Here is only new love. If you're dealing with a new love, situation is still not in a right phase. And yes, things is like runner or chaser type of game. You can deal with this person past 1 year, past 2 years, for some 5 years, but this is a new person and a present person. If you're thinking about your ex, this person can also come to you, okay, with King of Swords energy. So be careful for some. This person will only come up with the King of Swords energy over here. Though this is an older personality, and yeah, this person can be older from you by age and sometimes immature by their thinking. So you might have some fight with this person. For others, you have two choices with King of Wands and King of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or for some, it could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Or you could deal with these zodiacs in their charts with Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus in their Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay, so I sense like you might be like working hard, but this person didn't give you a damn, and they just like walked away. But thing is changing, your cycle is changing you. Your karma will be your everlasting karma now. What you have given to others, you will be getting that reward now with Wheel of Fortune, and things will be turning up very slowly with this energy towards you. So if you're thinking of this person, why this person is not coming up towards you, because they are right now in the sense of making a decision. Something is going on their mind. Basically, they are with their third parties. So their mind is playing something tricks. Even they are playing like some mind games with you. But this person is having some feeling. They might be not expressing you right now. For some, if they have rejected you in past, or right now they are rejecting you, but this time they will be coming up towards you. Okay, mark my words. So this was my energy update. So if it is resonating with you, let me know on comment box. Thank you.